Ah, I didn't see you there. Grim Reaper here. Just taking a bit of time out. Just having a little short break. Reading the paper. Listening to some Loza music. He's a lad from Queensland, Australia. It's all stuff he does in his backyard. It's all real music. And it's all written by him. So yeah, I'm just enjoying a bit of time out, as you do, from Stealing Souls, taking them back to the Big D. He'd spew if he's seen that. Piss me up the arse. So yeah, I hope you're having a good night out there. Enjoying yourself, because time is short, as we know. Listen to some of your favourite music. Doing what we all do best. Rip it up from the Loza.